afternoon. My name is Emily Campbell. I'm principal at Heartland Elementary. We'd like to welcome you this afternoon to our kindergarten open house. We have that taking place first this afternoon. We have our kindergarten students that are meeting their teachers for the first time, and parents that are getting to walk the school and visit various vendors in the building and other school vendors. And then beginning at 5:30, we will have our open house for our first grade through fifth grade students, and so our parents will come at that time as well and get to meet various vendors, school vendors, and as well as community vendors. So we hope you enjoy seeing the various things that Heartland has to offer. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name's Shannon Perry. I'm the cafeteria manager here at Heartland Elementary, and we are here at Heartland's open house. We are giving out breakfast and lunch menus. We are a free breakfast and lunch school. I'm excited to start the new school year, and please encourage your children to come down every day and eat breakfast with us. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at 270-769-8936. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rita Crum. I am the Family Resource Coordinator here at Heartland Elementary. And tonight here at the open house, I have some of our programs that we'll be doing this year. We have our Watchdogs program, which is very popular here at Heartland. The kids absolutely love having our dads come into our school. We're going to be having a Watchdog orientation on September the 6th for our dads, where they can sign up and pick their dates for the year. I also have the mentoring program, which is another wonderful program here at Heartland. We have community members come in and work with our children. Giving away some toothbrushes, promoting good dental health, and just basically finding out what the needs are for our Heartland families and trying to connect them with the resources that we have.
My name is Krista Mitchell. I'm with Brighter Futures Counseling, and I provide outpatient therapy for them. I also provide school-based services here at Heartland.
Hi, I'm Kendra Scott with Lincoln Trail Behavioral Health System, and we're very excited to be a part of the open house festivities at Heartland Elementary School. Tonight we're talking a little bit about stress and stress prevention, because so many of us get stressed out during the school year with multiple activities, homework assignments, all the coming and going. It makes it difficult on a family. So we're here with some stress apples, some cards and goodie bags, and we also have hand sanitizer, because that always comes in handy during the school year. So we're glad that folks can stop by and see us, and we'll tell them all about our programs. We serve kids from ages 13 on up to adult. We have special programs for geriatric, for military families, and even kids 5 to 17 and their families that need some family resiliency. So give us a call anytime at 270-351-9444. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Brandy Gillespie. I'm here tonight to represent the Community Health Clinic. This is a free clinic. We service pretty much all ages, children all the way up to adults. Any of the working class, maybe if you're in between jobs, your insurance has run out, or maybe you're on Medicare and you're in the donut hole, we're here to help you with that. We offer free health care, free medications. We have access to dentists, x-rays, any diagnostics, blood work, anything that you need to maintain your health. Primary care. Again, like I said, we service the working class there. So just a service to help Hardin County and help our community. We actually service all 7 counties. So if you need any assistance with medications or health care, we're here to help. We got a new location now. It is down here on the 1113 Woodland Drive here in Elizabethtown. So come give us a call if you need anything. We're here to help.